You can start now, Ajal.
Alexa, what's my name?
I think you're Charu Hasini.
It's difficult to be rigorous about whether a machine really knows things, etc. Because we're hard put to define these things. We understand human mental process only slightly better than a fish understands swimming. As quoted by John McCarthy, father of artificial intelligence, in his books, The Little Thoughts of Thinking Machines. Good morning, judges and the dignitaries present here today. Google, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft are moving ahead in great speed in improving this artificial intelligence software, making us more efficient. Artificial intelligence is definitely the future of the world and will drive the economy of tomorrow. The advent of digital superintelligence is one which is symbiotic with humanity. Artificial intelligence enables the machine to act like humans, replicating the behavior. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in the year 1956. The concept is pretty old, but it has gained its popularity recently. Why? Well, the reason is earlier we had very small amount of data. The data we had was not enough to predict accurate result. Now there's a tremendous increase in data. Statistics suggest that by 2020 the accumulated amount of data will increase from 4.4 zettabytes to 44 zettabytes of data. A few examples of AI in our day-to-day lives are Tesla self-driving car, chess-playing computer, Apple Series, voice-based call centers, and many more. Every 10 years, there has been a change of how we interact with technology. We have gone from clunky keypads, non-touchscreen phones, to really advanced smartphones that we use today. Interactions such as swipe right, pull to refresh, pinch to zoom, they didn't really exist earlier. Machine learning, deep learning, and data science are all subsets of AI. Now you must be wondering, what is machine learning? Machine learning provides us statistical tools to explore the data. Deep learning and data science provide multi-neural network architecture which is used to mimic the human thinking. AI can be broadly defined as the ability of technology to perceive, reason, learn, and problem solve. According to Mr. Sundar Pichai, AI is probably the most important thing that humanity has ever worked on. He thinks of it as something more profound than even electricity or fire. AI for the first time, I think, offers a different construct. Things which are constrained and look like a zero-sum game today may not be so in the future. Take education for example. It is really hard to educate people in a cost-effective way. AI may fundamentally change that equation. It may make it possible for us to have clean, cheap, renewable energy for the future, so AI will play out in a more positive way than people think. As per Mr. Barack Obama, AI is seeping into every aspect of our life, be it retail, medicine, manufacturing, transportation, streamlining supply chain to how electricity is distributed, and create a vastly more productive and efficient economy. If only properly harnessed, it can create enormous prosperity and opportunity for people. The world at the moment is awash with speculations, opinions, and fears about artificial intelligence and is a perceived threat to human held jobs. Many researchers and scientists are still of the conviction that AI can dramatically improve, assist, and augment, but never take the place of humans at the workplace. Many researchers and scientists say that AI can generate more than 2.3 million jobs. Companies have to work on cleaning up messy databases, work on file management, and make their data algorithm friendly. How long will that take? Well, time will tell. Now let me tell you a short story about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine 1986. At that time, there were no AI-powered robots to help us minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire at early stages. As any human went close to the core, was dead in a matter of minutes. AI robots can be used in such situations where human interventions can be hazardous. Technology is not yet infallible, and perhaps it will never be, but it can gather and analyze data quicker than people can, and can work alongside people much like any effective tool. So many advantages of AI. There are also few disadvantages, such as high costs of creation, making humans lazy, unemployment, no emotions, and lacking out-of-the-box thinking. Did you know an excellent invention of AI is Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics, activated in 2016. It can display more than 50 human expressions and is the only ever robot having a nationality. Well, this was my perspective about AI ML. All said and done, it is already proven that AI is going to thrive in the years to come. However, one should totally stop worrying about the fact that it will take away the jobs. In fact, it will bring more jobs and there will be more interesting workplaces happening. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
All amazing. You did very well, very well. How many times did you practice actually?
Sir, I think I practiced a lot of times, but I took it into bits and then I got it properly.
Okay, it looks like, first of all, looks like you will not memorize the content. You just improvise a lot of things, right? You just took some notes and delivered it in your own way. And many things. One is, I like the poster at the back. Look like you put in some effort to make that.
Yes, actually.
Okay, that was good. It was a very great introduction. The start was very good, and you kept the tempo all the way throughout the end. And I used to take notes before. With your session, I didn't do anything. I just kept quiet and I was watching it all the way. So you kept me, interested throughout the session. It was amazing.
Thank you so
Who
much.
gave you all the notes and somebody helped you? Was it your dad?
No, my dad helped in the poster, and me and my mom, we sat together and wrote the points, what will be interesting and attracting.
Okay. Very good, very good. They also helped you a lot.
Yes, sir.
Very good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic work, Charu, and I love the way you actually used artificial intelligence to, talk about artificial intelligence. So, fantastic improvisation on public speaking. And as I was just sharing with Ganesh sir some time back, these sessions are actually learning for us. You children are so aware these days that we get to see so many nice things. Very well done and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks so much, Charu. And once again, it was wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir.
Very good. Yes.
Bye, sir.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.